How do we order things in Kazakhstan? So Amazon doesn't work in Kazakhstan, so one of the more popular ways for us to get some products online and for cheap is AliExpress. And actually another recent finding of mine is this Russian website called Wild Berries. So I'm gonna show you some products that I ordered from there, and I'm gonna do some unpacking with you. But actually I did open a few of these things, and I wanted to share those things because everyone keeps asking me about like this tripod that I have. So I have this tripod for my iPhone, and this is very convenient because it acts like a selfie stick. So my phone goes here, I'm gonna show you, and I can pull it out and like take selfies. I can put it steady on the ground like this, and it actually extends for like 1 meter-ish, you know. And this is very convenient if I travel because it's very lightweight. Like, you know, I can pack it like this. It takes very little space in my bag, but it's very convenient if I need a hand to like record me, take a picture of me, or sometimes this is even convenient to put on a table, watch something on the phone. Or I also love doing video conferences, you know, video calls with this thing, because it's also very convenient. You just put it straight in front of you and your neck doesn't hurt. Speaking of your neck, there's another thing that I saw someone getting from Amazon on YouTube, and I was like, I need this tube. And this is like some kind of stand for your MacBook or your any kind of laptop, and your laptop goes like this and it like opens up. And so you don't have to, again, like bend your neck and like sit like this at your computer, where you can actually put your head straight and your laptop screen is gonna be at the level of your eyesight. So this is very convenient, and I'm gonna put the links down below for these things. They're pretty cheap, but very convenient. Next thing that I ordered from Amazon. Next thing that I ordered from AliExpress is actually this steamer. I just opened it. Oops, not this one. I just opened it last night and actually started using it. This is by Xiaomi, if that's the right name. It's very compact, it's very convenient, it works very well, and it's actually working nicely by like steaming things. And this was actually coming to me from Russia through a Russian kind of AliExpress location. But yeah, there's not much to tell you. It was about $26, and I'm very pleased with the quality and how like very small it is and portable. So I highly recommend this if you guys are looking for something like this. Next, so we're done with AliExpress for now, and I'm getting to Wild Berries. So here I have probably a dry brush. Let me open it. Yep. I got this dry brush for dry brushing my body because that circulates some blood on my skin, and it just helps to fight with like cellulitis. Is that the right word to say? So this is really good for, you know, exfoliation of your body, and it was pretty cheap, so I was like, why not? I'll put the link down below too. Next thing I got is this, these are some type of napkins to remove your makeup, and they're by Biore, which is like the Japanese brand. And they're saying that it's very good and it helps a lot with like getting your makeup off. And I'm actually not a fan of taking my makeup off sometimes, and I'm like too tired to do that at night. And for me, this would be a lifesaver if I'm not feeling like going to the bathroom, or if I'm going to some kind of vacation, travel, you know, backpacking thing, which might happen actually, or when I'm traveling, or they say like fitness, if you go to the gym, if you're traveling, if you're on the road to somewhere. So this is very convenient, and it has 44 napkins inside. And yeah, anything by a Japanese beauty brand, I think it's gonna be great. Next thing is, this is like face cream by a Russian brand. I saw some kind of Russian blogger reviews on this, and this is good for your face. It has intensive moisturization. It's very good for moisturizing your face, apparently. I'm gonna test it and see, but you know, let me smell it. No, it's closed. We had this season, so not many people use air conditioning to heat their apartments here. We have the centralized heating system, so in September it was a bit cold, and I was like freezing inside the home before the heating was turned on. So I ordered some wool socks. And these look really cool actually. Yeah, they have, see the layer? Oh, they're kind of small though, no? I'm gonna try them on and show you what they look like and if they're warm. But yeah, looks good. Let me open this one here. Is this hair mask. I recently dyed my hair. It's called like the balayage kind of technique. And my hair is so dry right now. I need like the best moisturization I possibly could get. And when you dye your hair, you always need to moisturize them externally somehow, do some masks. And so I was researching the best mask, and this one had very high marks and like best reviews on Wildberries. So I got this one. It's by brand Compliment. Looks like this. It is for laminating your hair and for the dyed hair. So this is specifically for my type of hair. So I'm gonna try this one too, and I'll let you know how it goes. Next thing that I ordered from Wildberries is actually this cleaning solution. It's by the brand Nirvana because my coffee machine is by the brand Nirvana. And this is specifically cleaning for the steamer that I have. Oh yeah, for cleaning of milk steaming accessories on exclusive high-end coffee makers. My machine was pretty expensive, so I do want to maintain it in very good condition, so I got specific solution to clean it, and I'm gonna try and see how it works. Another thing that I got is this dry shampoo by Batiste. Is that the right way to call it? This is the original one. I haven't used the dry shampoos very often, so I did think that I might need them because I have like dyed hair and I don't want to wash them too often. This is going to be a very good solution. So yeah, I got this one. It's in Russian. It's called like the dry shampoo, the classical original version of it. So yep, gonna see what it's like and I'll let you know in my other video. Yeah, this is everything that I wanted to show you for now. I'm waiting for a lot more orders from AliExpress and Wildberries. I always get something from there. Hi guys. So I have 2 more items that got delivered to me. So let's check out what's inside. I think I know what's inside, but I just wanted to check for myself. Bubble wrap. Here's what I ordered. I ordered this type of curling iron. You can make 3 waves with this one curling iron, basically. And I really like that style when you have like really small curls, because this one I do with Dyson and I wanted to do something a little bit different. So this is a really nice curling iron and I'm gonna have like those little kind of waves, which I'm really into right now. And I'm gonna do all these different types of hairstyles and maybe a video how to style my hair with this curling iron. And actually it's really nice because it gives you a lot of volume. So I really like this one and I'm gonna test it out. Next thing that I got, let me open this one. Yay, look at this. So this is for my plants in the office. I have like the white type of, bucket for plants, and I'm gonna put them inside of this one. And they're gonna look really nice and in the style of boho. It actually came really good quality and it didn't rip anywhere, so I'm satisfied with the quality here. I like it a lot. What do you think? So I just received a couple of more packages from AliExpress and let's see what they are. First of all, I got like 15 pairs of sunglasses, and of course they're really low quality, but I need them usually for my outfits, to match my outfits for photo shoots and maybe some filming. So I got like a number of them, but I have like 4 main shapes. So this one is more like roundish rectangle, and this is how they look. I like them a lot. And then I have them in different colors. I have them in turquoise, I have them in white, and I have them in some kind of like wine color. And then I have these little pairs. These are oval and they're also really trendy. And I have them in 4 more colors. They are red, turquoise, brown, and white. And I have also these kind of like cat-eye sunglasses. So this is how they look, and I have them in kind of like red, I believe red and black. Yes. Last one I feel like fit me the least. It's this one, very square shape. This is the black ones that are square, and I feel like they're a bit big for me. And I have these in this kind of neon yellow and tortoise. I mean, I like tortoise. So these are all the sunglasses that I got from AliExpress. Next, let's see what's here. I feel like these are the flower thingies that I ordered. Yeah, it's cotton. This is like the decoration thingy for my vase. Looks nice. Actually really like rich and full. Last one, I believe these are iPhone cases. I also got like a ton of them because you never have enough of those. Yep. Yay! I have the kind of like the blue, baby blue, greenish, you know, dark blue, and then gray. These are really nice colors, by the way. If you like this video, here's a playlist for you for more videos like this. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I mean it. Please subscribe to this channel. That would mean a lot to me, and that would support my channel a lot. So yeah, thank you so much, and bye guys. See you next time.